This week, the White House hosting its third annual Made in America event, highlighting companies from each state that make their products right here in the USA. We've got a few of those companies here on Fox and Friends this morning, starting with Charissa Rubey, the co-owner of Dakota Micro. Charissa, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
First of all, I want to give a shout out to newly minted Private First Class Rubey, who just graduated Army basic training at Fort Benning, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
You got to be proud. Very cool.
I am incredibly proud, yes.
Now, tell us about your products as well at Dakota Micro. I know you're proud of those as well.
I am. My husband and I started this company, and we manufacture backup cameras for farm equipment and other industrial vehicles and uses. They're incredibly rugged. We have our standard testing, but we also have a little bit of redneck testing. We drag them behind cars, we shoot them, we blow them up. So if you go on our YouTube site, you can see we have a whole bunch of videos where we have a lot of fun.
So if you've got big, heavy equipment like a combine or a tractor or a garbage truck, it's got to be able to hold up as a backup.
Yes, absolutely. It's 100G shock and vibration certified. You could throw them off a tall building and they'll survive. Very
cool. And briefly, what was it like to be in the White House?
It was amazing. They kind of let us wander around a little bit, and we sat in all the chairs. Maybe we weren't supposed to, but it was beautiful. And you know, it was weird. We were at a trade show and we're dragging stuff around, and you're like, "Don't scratch the floor."
Sure, of course. So, what's the website again?
DakotaMicro.com. DakotaMicro.com.
Very cool. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
Jed, you got another one.
Yes, I do. I'm going to bring in Dan Roth of Hostile Racing. Got some pretty awesome gear here. Dan, tell us a little bit about your company.
Yes, ma'am. We're in the off-road. We're primarily in the off-road industry, but we build race car products that make the drivers a lot more comfortable in the race. They go through some extreme terrains and stuff, distance upwards of 1,000 miles, so they need water, safety gear, which is really important for us. So we build products as far as our first aid kits. Fortunately, we're recognized as one of the best through the quality, so it makes it really easy for us to sell. The main thing for us is we do convey the proud fact that we are American made. So that is a key factor on ourselves as well.
And you were a racer, right? So
yes,
that gave you special insight in terms of creating these products.
Yes, a couple years ago. But yeah, fortunately we were very good. We built connections within the industry, so with some major brands in the industry. And then we end up over here a couple years ago, we started building the window nets for the industry, and the best.
Awesome. We got to run, but where can people get your quickly? Where can people buy your products?
Honestly, we just do our social networking, Hostile Inc. on Facebook and Instagram.
Awesome. Hostile Inc. Griff, head over to you.
Hey, Jim, we saved the best for last, and that is Scott Cawthorn here with Freeman Boat Works. You were you're working at a tire manufacturing company. You got a passion for fishing. You said, let's build some boats that you took to the White House.
Correct. It was a great experience getting the call to come to the White House. I think as many of us here kind of almost thought it was a joke when the White House calls you and says, hey, we want you to showcase the product you manufactured. Our company was founded in a garage in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, a little tiny neighborhood. We built the first boat. Our CEO, Billy Freeman, started there. And the company has grown and grown to...
And you can see it there, freemanboatworks.com. Scott, thanks for being here. Sorry we ran out of time, but what an amazing experience. More Fox and Friends coming up.